In an ideal world, every individual would have access to safe homes, clean water, and reliable infrastructure. Today, over 1 billion people live in these densely populated areas of informal settlements where inadequate infrastructure creates barriers to health, education, and opportunity. It really comes down to structure and space efficiency, and to that, we turn to nature for inspiration. Ever wondered why beehives are hexagonal? Bees need to consume 8 pounds of honey to produce 1 pound of wax, and this makes it necessary for them to be extremely frugal with their economy of wax. This was later proven by Thomas Hales, a mathematician, that hexagons organized in a grid can fit the most area within the least perimeter, and that's exactly what we need in a densely populated area of unorganized housing. Structured, space efficient, and economical. And to solve this, we introduce UrbanHex.
UrbanHex proposes the idea of hexagonal housing, a process of converting irregular and unorganised housing, such as that seen in slums, into uniform hexagons, which can be further divided into triangles. Although not in a perfect infinite grid, such as seen in a beehive, they can be arranged in rows with roads in between them. They can be stacked as buildings, or perhaps even arranged in a vertical lattice. They can vary in size to accommodate the different needs of people, such as having spaces for toilets, communal areas and marketplaces. Along with being space efficient, hexagons as buildings are stronger as a structure, which can make them very resistant to extreme weather. As you can see in these renders, this isn't just a theoretical concept, but a tangible solution for the future of urban housing. UrbanHex aims to transform how we approach design, creating spaces that are not only functional and efficient, but sustainable and resilient for the future.
Khayelitsha, one of South Africa's largest informal settlements, is one place where it could make a big difference. It's home to over 400,000 people, according to a 2011 study, and more than 60% of its residents live in informal housing. Unemployment exceeds 40%, but the area thrives on an entrepreneurial spirit. From local businesses to crafts, the community is vibrant, resilient and resourceful. Its mostly flat ground also provides a perfect terrain to set up the structure and ensure adaptability. By introducing UrbanHex, we're not just addressing housing. We're fostering local industry through jobs, improving the quality of life by reducing overcrowding, and finally, enabling economic growth. We're also ensuring that buildings built in informal settlements are not only low cost, but sustainable and long lasting. This is a fantastic opportunity for collaborative design. What sets UrbanHex apart is its adaptability and emphasis on community involvement, with each area able to choose its own layout in order to meet the community's needs and therefore maximise its residents' well-being.
As we know, in many slums, waste management is a major issue. The traditional sewage systems are hard to install due to the tough terrain and lack of infrastructure, leading to open sewage, causing environmental and health risks. Therefore, we suggest a new modular sewage treatment by offering a solution for the waste management. By using biotechnology, it treats the waste with a mixture of bacteria that breaks down organic matter. The result is a class 2 water, which is similar to rain or river water, and is safe to return to nature and can also be used for no-drinking purposes, like washing and bathing. These systems operate without electricity, last up to 35 years with no maintenance, and is scalable and easy to maintain, making it ideal for both crowded and remote areas. It is a simple, sustainable solution and that can improve sanitation and health in slums.
We tell as one of our key design principles, the double diamond approach. This will take a problem, split into sub-problems and converge into a new problem. We repeat the cycle again to then develop a solution. UrbanHex not only uses the space efficiently, but also aims to instill a sense of community and equality. With the main objective being Sustainable Development Goal number 1, no poverty, we also aim to address other SDGs such as clean water and sanitation, innovation and infrastructure, sustainable cities and communities. UrbanHex is a project that works best when designed with inputs from within the community, so it fits them best, socially and geographically, to utilize simple regular hexagons inspired by nature, while ensuring we meet Sustainable Development Goal number 17, Partnership for Goals. Together, we ensure every individual lives a dignified life in a safe and reliable environment. This is UrbanHex. We bring geometry for informal housing.